python was one of the monsters of Greek mythology, not famous like Sphinx and Chimera. The python played an important role in the story of the god Apollo. The python was a giant serpent dragon born to Gaia, the Greek goddess of the earth, who lived in the center of the earth near Delphi. The reason why python was usually associated with Delphi is because the ancient Greeks actually believed that Delphi was the center of the earth. The primary role of the python was the protector of the oracular stone and the oracle of Delphi, thus it was a tool to its mother Gaia. The story of Python in Greek mythology begins with the love life of Zeus. Zeus was having an affair with the daughter of Phoebe, Leto, who had become pregnant by Zeus. Hera, the wife of Zeus, had found about the affair, and had forbidden any place on land from giving birth. Hera employed the python to harass Leto, so that she could not give birth. Other sources say that the python acted on its own free will, as it had seen its own future, where it would be killed by the son of Leto. Leto though found sanctuary upon the island of Ortygia, and there successfully gave birth to a daughter Artemis, and a son Apollo. When Apollo was just 4 days old, he went to the workshop of Hephaestus, who presented Apollo with a bow and arrow. Now armed, Apollo went out to hunt the monster python. Apollo tracked the python to its cave, and fight ensued between god and python. The python was not an easy opponent for Apollo to overcome, but by shooting 100 arrows, eventually the python was killed. The corpse of the python was left outside of the main Delphic temple. With the killing of the python, a symbolic ownership of the temples and oracle passed from the old order to the new order of Apollo. Another version of the story, Apollo would come to Delphi seeking to take control of the oracular site. The giant serpent was struck down by the arrows of Apollo, and the god took charge of Delphi.